Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, secondo. A tutorial, 4-bar phrases. Throughout, I will eliminate any harmonic octaves. So you're only going to be playing melodic octaves, never both at the same time. So the first 4 bars, circle A. Slowly, I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this connection is pretty easy because there's lots of space in between. So circle B, the next 4 bars. 4 on the D, right hand has the chord. 1, 2, ready, go. 2 counts, 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 2 counts. That was pretty simple. To connect from that last chord that we just played to circle C, your left hand is going to cross 2 over to the A. Your right hand's going to come down to the E and the A. So let's learn how to play circle C, and then we'll look at the connection between B and C. So here it is, circle C. 1 and 2, ready, go. 2 counts. Not right. Let's try that again. Left hand 2 on the A, right hand 1 and 4. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. Don't worry about going on to D just yet. Let's do circle C one more time, and then we'll learn about the connection between B and C. Ready, here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Look ahead, look at the leap. 2 counts, strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. Now let's look at that bar 11 where you have 1 on middle C and put 3 and 4 for that strawberry, because that makes the fingering a whole lot easier. On the left hand, 1 on D, and then you have strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. And I said the skippy, which is actually in the right hand. So we have 2 counts, strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. So let's do all of circle C, where your left hand 2 starts on the A, right hand is 1 E and 4 on A. Circle C, a 1, a 2, a ready, go. And 2, 3, and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Look ahead. 2 counts, strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. Now let's look at the connection between circle B and circle C. The last chord of circle B was here. To get from here to the start of circle C, left hand crosses 2 over. Right hand's going to come down, so it's E and A. So let's practice that connection. We go 2 counts, skippy pie. One more time at the connection. Ready, go. 2 counts, skippy pie. Now let's take a look at bar, let's see, 7, 8, the last bar of circle B, where we have 2 counts, 2 or 9, like this. Ready, here we go. 2 counts, 2 counts. Skippy pie, skippy pie. One more time, bars 8 and 9. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 2, oops, wrong note, left hand. Ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts. Skippy pie, skippy pie. All right, now let's take a look at doing all of B and all of C, like this. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. Look ahead. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and look ahead. Leap. 2 counts. Strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. Did you notice how I said look ahead on the 4th count of each bar, so you knew what was coming up and look ahead to see if your hands need to leap? Let's do circle B and C together one more time. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. Look ahead. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Look ahead. 2 counts. Strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. All right, let's do all of circle A, circle B, and circle C. So hands in position, get ready to start. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big leap up. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. Look ahead. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and look ahead. 2 counts. Strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. And then our oompas start in circle D. But we're not going to do circle D in this video. We'll leave this as its own separate tutorial video. One more time from the start, a little bit quicker this time. A 1, a 2, a ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, go. 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts, 2 counts. Look ahead. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 2 counts. Strawberry, skippy pie, pie, pie. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on and so forth. Good luck in putting it together with your partner.